Hello, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can use Kalodata to find winning products. So the first thing that you have to do is go to kalodata.com and make sure that you already have your account, and if you don't have one yet, make sure to sign up to proceed to the next steps. So after you're logging into your account, you will go to the winning products tab on the left hand menu, and this section lists high performing items based on engagement, sales, and trends. You can filter by country, niche, platform, and engagement level to narrow your results. Click on any product to view more details like ads, TikTok videos, supplier links, and estimated performance data. You can also track how long each product has been trending and which influencers are promoting it. This lets you spot new trends early and avoid saturated markets. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.